Struggles for Democracy, 1945 to present. The history of Latin America revealed how difficult it is to set up democracy. In Africa, ethnic conflicts worked against democracy. In the early 1990s, communism fell in Eastern Europe and the Soviet Union, but long-hidden ethnic tensions broke the regions into smaller countries. In China, the communist leaders made economic changes but kept tight political control. Chapter 35, Section 1. For democracy to work, there must be free and fair elections. There must be more than one political party. The people of the country should have a good education so that they can make informed choices. They should share a common culture. All must accept the idea that everyone has equal rights. Finally, there must be rule by law, not by power. Many nations in Latin America have had difficulty achieving democracy because of all of these factors are not present. In 1822, newly independent Brazil began life as a monarchy. After 1930, a dictator ruled. But in 1956, an elected leader tried to make the economy better. He broke up large estates and gave land to the peasants. Landowners opposed the plan. They backed a group of army leaders who took power in 1964. The military ruled Brazil for 20 years. The country's economy grew, but the people had few rights. When the economy soured in the 1980s, the army gave up power to an elected president. In 2002, Luiz Inácio Lula da Silva, a leftist candidate, was elected president. Mexico has had stable government for almost all of the 1900s. Since the 1920s, one political party, now called the Institutional Revolutionary Party, or PRI, has been in power. The PRI has controlled the local, state, and national governments. At times, the party acted harshly to stop any dissent. In recent years, though, the party has opened up the political system to candidates from other parties. In 1997, two opposition parties won enough seats to the national legislature to deny the PRI control of that Congress. In 2002, Mexican voters ended PRI rule by electing Vicente Fox as president. Argentina had struggled toward democracy too. In the 1940s and 1950s, Juan Perón was a popular dictator. He put in place many programs to benefit the masses. In 1952, though, the army overthrew him and kept control of the government for the next 30 years. Army leaders ruled harshly, killing many who opposed them. In 1982, the army suffered a stinging defeat in a war with Britain. The generals agreed to step down. Since 1983, Argentina has been led by freely elected leaders. However, it faces severe economic problems. In 2003, Néstor Kirchner became president.